everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am taking you into my kitchen to clean. My house is a total mess, so this will be good times. I'm a mess, my place is, my kitchen's a mess, but I'm also trying to decorate it for the fall. So I'm gonna clear the counters up, put new decorations for the fall, and I hope you'll stick around. So here are 2 buckets of decorations. I'm gonna try to get it to 1 bucket. So I'm gonna get rid of stuff that I don't use. We're gonna start out by cleaning this area first, and then we're gonna decorate this side, and then we're going to tackle this side. Okay, we have a lot of candy in our house. I don't know if we're just like, we just have sugar, we like sweet tooth. So after dinner, we always like to have something to eat. We have Skittles, or we have gummy bears, or whatever. So I'm going to get that Starburst. All right, so I'm going to set these boards up. We do charcuterie boards often, so I'm going to put these here. Keep going back and forth, and I'm going to put this just to kind of give it the greenery that I want. And this actually holds everything kind of so it doesn't move because it's so heavy. There. How big is that? So that's perfect. Put that in the center. I think I'm going to have to put my candies over on the other side. All right, so I think I'm gonna put this setup over here. This house has this old phone outlet, so move this over and cover this outlet. Okay, I decided to put this arrangement over here. So you know how much of a Voluspa fan I am. Well, excited to get the fall candle. And it's so beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful. But it has a glass lid. It smells so good, guys. This is the spiced pumpkin latte. I probably won't be able to burn it because my husband hates spicy smells, but look, it's pretty. Okay. I'll put the glass lid on it. How pretty is that? I like that. I can burn it when he's not here, because when he's here, he doesn't like spicy things. So I feel like this wreath might be a little bit bigger. So what do you guys think? So I'm gonna put it this way. So. That looks really pretty. Okay, now we're gonna go into the center, and I need to put something in the center. I think I'm gonna put our wine setup, because we do, I said we do drink a lot of wine. a little plant there. I should put some candies in here. All right, I'm gonna have to get some, maybe I'll get some caramels or something to put there. And on this side, we already got lots of candy here. Nice and clean. All right, so I'm gonna start by wiping all of this down and getting it clean. So I'm using the William Sonoma pink grapefruit. I'm gonna put the air fryer. Like I said, we do use our air fryer a lot. I don't know if you guys know this, but they tell you, they suggest for you to keep your air fryer turned off all the time because apparently it can catch fire. Here's another cute pumpkin. All right, I'm gonna put this over on the other side, so I'll put it over here. These are just my cooking utensils. Nothing fancy. You know, I tried, whoa. You're close. So I tried doing a lot of the utensils with all the, you know, all of them looking the same. But to be honest, there's certain ones that I like, and these are all the ones that I use. I mean, it's just, I want those that I use. I don't want, I mean, granted, it would look nice if they look pretty, but when it comes to cooking, I need the utensils that like work. You know what I mean? I don't know about you guys, but we go through lemons. We eat a lot of lemons. We eat a lot of citrus, whether it's, you know, I like lemons in my beer. But I also use lemons for salad dressings, lemons for everything cooking, water. But this is a really cool find too. You can see this is a really cute citrus juicer. And it has its own little container, so you can after you juice your lemon or your lime or oranges or whatever, you put it in here, and then it makes it easier to, you could also store it, that's why it's here, but you could store it, or it's just an easy decanter. I used to have one that I had to put a measuring cup with it, and I would spill the measuring cup all the time. So anyway, this one's really nice. I like this one a lot. This is what we had for dinner. My son made dinner last night. I'm gonna switch this out. All right, so put our pumpkin out. Since it's pumpkin time, my cleaning people come to clean this. Am I the only one that cleans before the cleaning people come? I always clean before the cleaning people. All right, I found a spot for my Mackenzie child's stock pot. I like it here. I decided to put my oils up on top of the stove. All right, now we're gonna clean this side. This is gonna take me a little bit, so. All right, so I didn't wanna bore you guys with all that. There's a lot of cleaning, a lot of dishes. I didn't realize how much we had. I wanted to show you this really cool thing. So this is what I use to dry my wine glasses. And they are so awesome because they dry so they don't have spots on them too. It even holds like this super tall martini glass. They They dry so nice like that. You guys know how to stop a dog from barking. Please tell me. You guys say, sure, drive me crazy. For soap, this is a really nice soap dispenser. It's a Simple Human and it's rechargeable. It's really nice. It holds a lot of soap too. What I've discovered having these automatic soap dispensers is that they really cut back on how much soap you use. It really divvies it out really nicely. Like you can see how much soap this holds. I'm still pouring. I'll just turn it on. I literally have these all over my house. Really heavy, but they're just so pretty and they just, oh, they're really heavy, but they're so pretty. It's a really good candle. It smells like another Balespa, but it smells like grapefruit. Another great gadget is this lighter. It's so cool. And it lights your stuff. It's rechargeable. It's awesome. If you've seen my Amazon find, this is a really great Amazon find. It got so hot I had to put my hair up. I can't stand it. It's too hot. All right, now, here we go. I do have a lot of plants because I absolutely love plants. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of counter here. All right, this plant, I need to replant it. The last area, sorry, it's like I'm cleaning, but I have to like move all my stuff. I have so much stuff in here, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the center, make this the center stage. These are really pretty. I got these on, what's this seller on Etsy? But we're gonna put these away for the holidays. I was about to put these away in. This is a beautiful pot. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Kinsey child. Very pretty. Look, I'm transferring it all over to this side. I'm putting it all on my table. That's okay. All right, so let's clean this area. Kids. This little guy's so cute. Next week we have to paint my living room around my fireplace. I have to get that done. So before I can start decorating the mantle. So hopefully I can get that done next week. But my kitchen is clean. That's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.